Mask a video with a shape in After Effects. Here's a preview of the video. So I have a circle that's moving across the page and a video that's coming in. So I'm going to start a new composition so you can see from the beginning. So it doesn't matter what you do first. I'm going to drop in the video. Next, I'm going to draw an ellipse with the ellipse tool. And make sure that your fill is 100%. And you can, it doesn't really matter what color it is, I just want something that you can see. Now you'll see that the shape layer is above the video, and all you need to do, make sure you click on toggle switches and modes, and you're gonna, from the video layer, click on alpha matte shape layer, and that's going to crop your video with the shape above it. If you need to adjust your video, you can just click on it and be on your selection tool. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.